Hi sir, good evening sir. Myself Sugunakar Rao. I am from CSE department. My topic is about sum of array elements with example. Introduction to array. An array is a collection of items stored at continuous memory locations. Arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. Instead of declaring separate variables for each value, they can hold elements of the same data type, making data management easier and more efficient. Like the right side figure shows, array of naught is 2, array of 1 is 4, array of 2 is 10, array of 3 is 5, array of 4 is 5, array of 3 is as continuous memory location. Understanding arrays. Each item in an array is called an element, which can be accessed by using its index. Indexing in array typically starts from 0, meaning the first element is at index naught. The size of the array determines how many elements it can store, which is fixed upon creation. The concept of summation. Summation refers to the process of adding together a sequence of number of elements. In the context of array, summation involves calculating the total of all elements within the array. This operation is fundamental in various programming and mathematical applications. Algorithm for summing array elements. 2. Sum the elements of an array. Initialize a variable to hold the total sum. Iterate through each Iterate through each element of the array, adding each value to the total. Return or print the resultant sum after completing the iteration. Enter the size of array. Enter the elements of array. Sum of array is 150. Like that, we have add all the numbers in the array. Example array. Consider an array of integers 3, 5, 2, 8, 6. This array consists of 5 elements that we want to sum together. Each number represents a value that will contribute to total. Array variable index, and there we can store the values. A0 is 3, A of 1 is 5, A of 2 is 2, A of 3 is 8, A of 4 is 6. Like that, 5 values are stored in array variable. So we can add these elements. Now step by step calculation. Start with a sum initialized to 0. Add each element of the array sequence. 0 plus 3 equal to 3, then 3 plus 5 equal to 8, and so on. The process continues until all elements are included in the summation. Now right side. Insert an element at specific position in array. Insert position equal to 5. Initial array. Array with x in position at position possible equal to 5. Final. After adding all elements, we got the following. The total sum is calculated as 24. Thus, the sum of array elements 3, 5, 2, 8, 6 is 24. Multiset calc. Do not round off any intermediate result and only do it for the final answer. Coding. Below is a simple code snippet in Python. Arrays 3, 5 total sum equal to sum of array. Print total sum. This code is used to built-in sum function to calculate the total. It illustrates how easily we can compute the sum of an array program language. Sum iterable, start equal to 0. Sum equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. Sum start 10. 10 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 16. Like that, when we assign a start or sum equal to 0, then we have get accurate value. But when we are sum equal sum, then the value will be garbage value. Application of summing arrays. Summing the elements of an array is commonly used in data analysis tasks. It is also essential in calculating stats such as mean, median, and mode. Other applications includes financial calculation, game scores, and resource allocation. Conclusion. The sum of array elements is a fundamental concept in programming and mathematics. Now visit the code. Hash include angle stdio dot h int main int a of 50 I comma n comma sum equal to 0. Now enter the size of array and enter the elements of array. Now write sum equal to sum plus a of I naught. Then the program will execute. After that, printf enter the sum of the array elements is. Then we get the output. Understanding how to manipulate array allow for efficient data processing. Mastering this concept is circular for developing concept, complex algorithms and solving real world problems. This presentation is provide a clear overview of the concept of summing array elements with example and practical application. Thank you, sir. Thanks for giving opportunity to me. Jai Hind.